Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Chin Top Beauty, your go-to spot for all things beauty, makeup, and skincare. I'm Rakshanda, and today I'm absolutely thrilled to talk about a product that has really impressed me. This is the Shiseido Bioperformance Lip Dynamic Eye Treatment. Guys, this eye cream has done something extra for me, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. Be sure to watch the entire video, otherwise you'll miss some important aspects about this product. So let's get started. The Shiseido Bioperformance Eye Treatment is a multi-benefit anti-aging eye cream that targets various concerns around the eye area. It promises visibly lifted and sculpted skin while energizing the skin's natural reparative ability. First off, let's talk about the packaging. The Lift Dynamic Eye Treatment comes in a beautiful silver outer packaging. Now let's check what the brand is claiming about it. This incredible absorbent eye cream works to strengthen the skin's inner defenses through the moisturizers, anti-aging ingredients, and skin-soothing agents. Inside there's a sleek silver and peachy pink bottle that looks super luxurious. Overall, the packaging is beautiful, luxurious, and travel friendly. This cream employs the renewed RenuCycle system to encourage new skin cells regeneration to improve the appearance of the skin further. This cream utilizes the patented TrueStructive technology to restore the skin's power to ward off external aggressor and lock in moisture for a long-lasting, luscious, supple complexion. I love how easy it is to dispense just the right amount of product without any mess. One of the things I love most about this eye cream is how hydrating and lightweight it feels. It absorbs quickly into the skin without any greasiness or residue, making it perfect for both day and night use. Now let's talk about applications. I like to use a small amount of product about the size of a rice grain for each eye. Its lightweight and non-sticky texture allows for a blissful absorption into the deep skin layers with hyaluronic acid delivering moisture in plenty. I gently dab it around the orbital bone using my ring finger, starting from the inner corner and working my way outwards. Remember, the skin around the eyes is very delicate, so it's important to be gentle and avoid tugging or pulling. Now onto the formula. This eye treatment is packed with some amazing ingredients that work wonders for the delicate skin around the eyes. It contains Shiseido's exclusive TrueStructive technology which helps to support skin's natural restorative powers as well as biorenewal complex which boosts skin's resilience. I also love how this eye treatment instantly hydrates and brightens the under eye area, making me look more awake and refreshed even on those early mornings. And with continued use, I have noticed a significant improvement in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes. Now let me break down my experience with this eye cream step by step. Firstly, let's talk about the immediate effects. Upon application, the cream penetrates deeply into the skin, providing intense hydration and leaving the skin feeling smooth and toned. This is a great initial impression as it sets the stage for further benefits. Guys, after using it for about a week, I started noticing some significant changes. My skin appeared more lifted and I noticed improvements in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. While I don't have dark circles, I do have eye bags due to lack of sleep. Surprisingly, the cream also worked great on my eye bags, even though it doesn't specifically claim to target them. As I continued using the eye cream for 3 weeks, I saw even more substantial improvements. Slightly deep wrinkles were visibly reduced, and the overall youthfulness of the eye area was enhanced. Now let's discuss the key ingredients and technologies behind this eye treatment. The exclusive two-structured technology harnesses the skin's natural restorative power, while the RenuCycle system encourages a smooth skin renewal process. Additionally, the Super Bio Hyaluronic Acid Plus replenishes the skin with deep moisture, contributing to its overall health and appearance. In terms of skin type, this eye cream is suitable for all skin types. It has been dermatologist tested and eye specialist tested, ensuring its safety and efficacy. Truly speaking, I have noticed that my eyes appear brighter even after days of minimal sleep. The product effectively prevents the appearance of dark circles and under eye bags, eliminating the need for concealer. In terms of price, the Shiseido Bi-Performance eye treatment may seem very expensive initially. However, considering the quality and quantity of the product, it offers great value for money. Investing in this eye cream is a long-term commitment to skincare, as it delivers on its promises and yields visible results over time. Overall, I highly recommend the Shiseido Bi-Performance eye treatment to anyone serious about their skincare routine. While the brand may appear intimidating at first, its products offer impressive results and are worth the investment. I'm personally impressed with Shiseido's offerings and look forward to exploring more of their products in the future. So guys, I hope you found my detailed review and experience with this eye treatment useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. And if you liked this video, don't forget to share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.